Hello students, second exercise before 4 Romans completed. Now fifth Roman, see here, state true or false and write correct statement. So first one, in the Cartesian plane, the horizontal line is called y-axis. So it is false. We know that in a Cartesian plane, the horizontal line is called x-axis. Like that, second to sixth. See, these are all problems. First one, in the Cartesian plane, the horizontal line is called y-axis. It is false. What is the reason? In a Cartesian plane, the horizontal line is called x-axis. Horizontal line is called x-axis. Next, second one, question listen. In the Cartesian plane, the vertical line is called y-axis. So it is true. We know that horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is called y-axis. It is true. Second one is true. Reason, right? In a Cartesian plane, the vertical line is called y-axis. Vertical line is called y-axis. We know that horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is called y-axis. Next, third question, listen. The point which lies on both the axes is called origin. So we know that intersect point means horizontal line and vertical line intersect point is called origin. So this is true. This is true. Reason. So we know that the intersection of both axes is origin. So origin point 0, 0. We know that before. Next, fourth question. The point 2, -3 lies in the third quadrant. So we know that x ordinate positive, y ordinate negative, that is called Q4, fourth quadrant. But they say third quadrant. Third quadrant means both are negative. So answer here, this is false. Why? Because 2 is greater than 0 and -3 is less than 0. This implies 2, -3 which quadrant is belongs to Q4. But they say 2, -3 is third quadrant. That is false. This is in Q4, fourth quadrant. Next, fifth question. -5, -8 lies in the fourth quadrant. So we know that before only in concept first part, both are negative. -5, -8 is belongs to Q3. But they said fourth quadrant. This is false. Answer false. -5 less than 0 and -8 less than 0. So both are negative. -5, -8 is belongs to Q3. They say fourth quadrant. This is false. So why? Because this is in third quadrant. Next, sixth question. The point -x, -y lies in the first quadrant where x less than 0 and y less than 0. So they given one of the condition x less than 0. Given point -x, -y. Here -x, -y they given, and according to the given condition. So x less than 0 and y less than 0. X less than 0 means, what about x value? Negative means minus. Here apply that minus. Minus into minus plus means x, and y also y less than 0. Y less than 0 means what about y? Y is negative. Means here already negative will be. Minus into minus plus means both are positive. In that both are positive, which quadrant? Q1. Means if it is true, they given minus x comma minus y lies in the first quadrant where x less than 0, y less than 0. About based on these conditions, apply that given point. So we get both are positive. Means finally it is true. It is true. Why? Because if x less than 0 and y less than 0, then minus x is greater than 0, minus y greater than 0, and finally minus x comma minus y is belongs to Q1. Based on that condition, minus x comma minus y is belongs to Q1. Sixth question. Plot the following ordered pairs on a graph sheet. What do you observe? So they given two problems. In that first question, 1, 0, 3, 0, minus 2, 0, minus 5, 0, 0 and 0, 5, 0, minus 6, 0. So in that second one also they given some points. Observe that what you observe based on that points in graph paper. So this is horizontal line. Horizontal line is called x-axis, means x dash. Vertical line is called y-axis. This is y dash. In that horizontal line, vertical line intersect point origin O 0, 0. This point is 0, 0. From origin to OX is called all positive integers. Otherwise, from origin to right all positive integers. From origin to left side all negative integers. Means from origin to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that take. From origin to left side all negative integers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Here x dash minus 6. From origin to above all positive integers, below are negative integers. Means OY is called positive integers, OY dash negative integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From origin to below negative integers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Here first problem, first one 1, 0. 1, 0, first one x ordinate, second point C on y ordinate. Means first point C on x axis, second point C on y axis. Here y ordinate is 0. That's why on x axis, positive x axis, 1, 0, 1. First point C on x axis. Here 0 means on the positive x axis. This is 1, 0. First point. Second one 3, 0. 3, 0 on positive x axis. Here y ordinate is 0. 3, 0. Next one minus 2, 0. Minus 2 on x axis negative here. Minus 2, 0 on negative x axis. Next minus 5, 0. Minus 5 here. Minus 5, 0 on negative x axis. Here write points name also, minus 5, 0. Here minus 2, 0. This one. Next point 0, 0. Origin here 0, 0. This point. Next to 5, 0 on positive x axis. 5, 0. Here first problem all y ordinate is 0. Next This is right, 5 comma 0. And next point minus 6 comma 0. Here minus 6 comma 0. This point minus 6 comma 0. This is x dash here. This is first one. First point, what you observe? Y coordinate of all points, x axis is 0 here, means on the x axis. Next one, second problem, 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1. First point C on x axis. Second point C on y axis. 0 comma 1 on positive y axis. Here 0 comma 1. Next 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3 here. 0 comma 3. Next 0 comma minus 2. 0 comma minus 2 on negative y axis. 0 comma minus 2. Here x coordinate is 0 on y axis, that points. Next 0 comma minus 5. 0 comma minus 5 here. 0 comma minus 5. And next one 0 comma 0 here. 0 comma 0. And next one 0 comma 5. 0 comma 5 here. 0 comma 5. Next point 0 comma minus 6. 0 comma minus 6 on negative y axis. 0 comma minus 6. So about this, what you observe here, y coordinate of all points on x axis is 0, and next one x coordinate of all points on y axis is 0. That is final answer. So what you observe? So observation, finally observation here, right? The y coordinate of all points on x axis is 0. Next, what you observe, another one, the x coordinate of all points on y axis is 0. So what you observe, they are asking finally. So what you observation here, the y coordinate of all points on x axis is 0. The x coordinate of all points on y axis is 0.